and welcome to Word of Life. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Samantha, and this is your weekly Life Update. Today is the last day of our G12 Hawaii Conference, and wow, it has been phenomenal. The impartation from all the speakers have literally been life-changing, a new beginning, bringing answers and awakening our hearts. At every single session, God has showed up in a powerful way and ministered to all. Now, just hearing these sessions once is not enough. We need to hear them over and over again. So take advantage of our CD and DVD conference sets. It doesn't have to end today. These conference sets are a great investment that will help us continue to keep God's Word alive in our hearts and mind. We're gearing up for another great Encounter Weekend on Friday, September 11th through Sunday, September 13th. God desires to encounter you with His grace that will set you free. It's a weekend where you will be refreshed and empowered as you discover God's unconditional love. Sign up today for the September Encounter. God has more in store for you. Tonight at 6 p.m. is the finale of our G12 conference, A New Beginning. Bring a friend and come expecting God to do something new in your life. God still has so much more for you. And remember, it's not an ending, but a new beginning for us all. Thanks again for joining us today, and have an amazing service.